Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of PRSD Tech Tips. I'm Mr. Bart, and if you have any specific questions or you need a specific tutorial about anything, please let me know at sbartholomew@prsd.org. I'll put a link to that name in the description because I know it can be tricky to spell Bartholomew. Anyway, for our first step, we want to sign into Google because we're going to go over how to use the Google suite of tools that are fantastic to use with both colleagues and with students. So the first step you want to take here is to open up a web browser. I have Google Chrome open, but it works in Safari, Mozilla's Firefox, and even Internet Explorer or any other web browser will work. There are a few things that are a little different if you don't use Chrome, so I would recommend using Chrome if you can, but if not, any web browser would work. The first thing you're going to want to do is head to google.com. So just typing in www.google.com right up here will get you to where you want to be. Then you want to come over to sign in. You click there, you're going to have this page, and you simply type in your PRSD account. So I'm going to type in mine, and make sure you put in the @PRSD. Then you hit next, and this is an organizational G Suite account. If you were signing in using your home one, certainly you would use the individual Google account, but since we know this is owned by prsd.org and we want to access all the tools and make sure we're signed in correctly, most importantly, we want to hit organizational. And then you're going to be prompted for your password. Now this should be the same password you use in any aspect, even signing into email, something like that. It will be the same one. So once you have that, you sign in. I personally, and I later on may show you this, have set up two-step verification. I do that because I want to make sure, obviously, everything's secure. I don't believe by default that this is set up, but in a later episode, we will certainly, I can show you how to set that up. And essentially what I'm doing right now is on my phone I have the Google Authenticator app. And that means I have a secret code, which you're about to see, 868. And the reason you can see that secret code is it's only good for about, see, it already changed. This secret code is only good for about 30 seconds, and then it changes. So that's why I don't mind you looking at that code. All right, so now that I'm signed in, I have access to all my awesome Google stuff. Yours might look a little bit different than this. So if I click more, you can see everything here. I've rearranged mine a little bit. If you just simply click and hold, you can move stuff around. So things that you might be using more often, that's how you would get to it. But here we are. That's how you sign in to Google.